Only those who deal with cleaning heavy equipment know what a really dirty machine is. The Hydro Engineering High Volume Demucking System is the answer. The Hydro Blaster Demucking System allows you to stand back and throw a very high volume of water at the problem. Like carving out the Grand Canyon, our demucking system uses high volume water with minimal pressure, sweeping away the dirt. Notice that even the areas between the hydraulic lines and hoses are cleaned without damage. Dried mud sometimes hardens like concrete. Cleaning quickly by loosening dirt and rocks and then sweeping them away is done economically by the Hydro Blaster Demucking System. Bearings, races, hydraulic rams, knuckles, and most lubricated parts are unaffected by the low-pressure cold water produced by the Hydro Blaster Demucking System. Re-greasing is seldom required after cleaning. Cleaning tracked equipment can be accomplished faster than ever before with this revolutionary cleaning concept. Getting into hard-to-reach places is no problem with the Hydro Blaster Demucker. Mud and dirt are peeled away with little or no effort. Even the undercarriage of this track hoe is easily cleaned by our demucker. Try to get way under there with a normal pressure washer and you couldn't do it. You may not have believed it before now, but hot water is not required to remove dirt and mud. You'll save thousands by not heating your wash water. After removing heavy accumulations of dirt and mud, you can finish up quickly with your high-pressure hot water Hydro Blaster.